I'm seconding Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda, the angel from the God, the Son of God, to be nominated to be the chairperson of the National Resistance Movement. I submit.
As the women of Uganda, Your Excellency, we are delighted for the programs, the empowerment that you have done to us economically, socially, and we have no doubt a lot is coming.
Certificate of compliance with the nomination requirements. This is to satisfy that aspirant candidate, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni Tibahawura, of the National Resistance Movement, has submitted list of supporters for his candidature to be the flag bearer of the National Resistance Movement.
Now present this to Your Excellency, that you have been nominated, and wait for the next steps. Thank you.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.